Hello, 4th grade. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Padlet. So first things first is signing on to our Padlet. You're going to go to start.hcps.org so you can see your tiles. You have a Padlet tile. It looks like this. So we're going to click. Now some of you might log in automatically and that's great, but some of you might not. If you do not, you're going to select login. And your login credentials will be the same as logging into your computer. Your first name, last name at student.hcps.org and your password BE and your PIN number. Once you have signed into your credentials, you may hit login. Now, there are a couple kinds of Padlets that you can make. So I'm going to walk you through those first. First things first, though, we're going to hit make a Padlet. The first kind that you can make is called a wall. It organizes your boxes into a very strict line. As you can see, I can't move these anywhere. They have to stay up here in this line. So as I went, they would all just be very organized straight across. The next kind is called a canvas. This lets you do things a little bit more random. So I can have a box over here, a box right here, and a box right here. I can put them wherever I want. Nothing yells at me. The next kind you can make is called a stream. The stream gives you larger boxes, but they all can only be right here in the middle. So they'll all just stack on top of each other. The last kind that we can make is the grid. The grid is extremely similar to the wall. Just the more you type in the boxes, it just organizes them a lot more nice. If you look at the picture here, the wall just aligns the top row and the bottom rows get a little haphazard. The grid, everything is perfectly aligned. There will be empty spaces, whereas the wall would have filled in that space. It is totally up to you which of the four you would like to choose, how you like to see your work being displayed. I'm going to pick the canvas. So once I selected which kind I'm going to make, this modify will pop up. Why didn't you pop up? Okay. This will automatically pop up. I don't know why mine didn't, but yours will. So my title will be the name of my explorer. So if I chose Sir Francis Drake, that's going to be the title of my Padlet. Your description, my Explorer by Miss McB. Next, I can choose what kind of wallpaper I would like to use. You can choose solid colors. They have a whole rainbow. You can choose gradients. You can choose textures and patterns or pictures. This yellow hurts my eyes. I really liked the Blue Lagoon, so I'm going to click on that one. Please do not spend too much time worrying about what your background looks like. Simple and easy. I chose mine pretty quickly. You can choose what kind of font you would like your Padlets to be written in. And the rest of the stuff does not matter. You don't need to mess with any of it. So then I will hit save and close. Now, to start posting, I'm going to hit this plus button. The title will be Sir Francis Drake. Now, with these down here, I can upload a picture from the internet. And look, there he is. So I think that's a cool picture. And there he is. So I have that. I have a picture of him. Why he chose to sail. And then I could 1, 2, 3. I could give you my different notes. I can also use a link if I have a video on him, but there's no reason you should have that. I could also take a picture of something, or you don't really need to worry about any of this. If you would like to draw something, you could do that. You don't need to worry about any of that. But you're just going to organize your notes that you took on your Explorer onto these tiles. And you shouldn't need to upload anything either. So I would only worry about this Google button for pictures and just knowing that you can type anything you want in here. When you're finished with your Padlet, you're going to select the share button and copy link to clipboard. That means that no matter where I go and I select the paste option, my Padlet will show up there. And that, my friends, is how you make a Padlet.